Today we're at Harrah's. We were lucky enough to be invited to stay here for 2 nights. Shout out to Caesars. We just got in. We're gonna look for Zane, our Connect here, and get up to the room.
Hello. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you in person.
All right, heading to the room. Valley Tower. We're in Valley Tower. Valley Tower. A little dark in here. So for our first time staying at Harrah's, we will be sleeping at the studio room, which is essentially one big open area with a bedroom section, a dining room section with a nice glass dining room table, and then obviously you have your walkway entrance and the bathroom. The bathroom is a sliding door which doesn't lock, which is interesting, stylistic I would say. There's carpets, 2 different TVs. So for this day, we actually have 2 nights comped, so we have more than enough time to show you everything there is to know about Harrah's Las Vegas.
We're at Fulton Street Food Hall right now, and we're about to try some of their signature desserts.
If the Vegas Golden Knights win tonight, they advance to the next round, the conference finals. They won 3 in a row. They're playing incredible. I put 100 down on them at the sportsbook at Harrah's. It's gonna be pretty epic. The game is in Vegas tonight too, at T-Mobile Arena. So we're gonna go down to T-Mobile Arena later and go to one of the bars out there. They have a bar where all the fans kind of watch the games and hang out. So, all right, so 2 periods down in the Vegas Golden Knights game. And right now we're about to head to New York, New York. Check out how cool the Harrah's sign is outside the entrance. Look at that. There's about 12 minutes left in the 3rd period. Like I was saying earlier, there's a couple bars right outside T-Mobile Arena that all the fans congregate to, and it's pretty exciting. This whole patio walkway goes from New York, New York to T-Mobile Arena, filled with fans, and we're heading right down to T-Mobile, where we're seeing this giant LED screen displaying the game as well.
Look at the crowd.
Yeah, this is gonna be exciting when they win. Hopefully.
And he tries to go glove side and just throws it up a little bit too high over the...
Three nights, 8 minutes left. We're looking real good. Real good. All right, 2 minutes left. 6-3 nights. At the sportsbook, time to cash in my winnings. Let's go. 175. Outside of Harrah's, in between Harrah's and the Link, is a restaurant bar with a lot of performers called Carnival Court, and we're having dinner there now. It's right here. Right there. Right there.
Lemon drop.
What a long day. Really good first day at Harrah's. Looking forward to tomorrow. It's morning. It's morning. It's morning, and we're getting Starbucks in the morning. I feel like I don't even need Starbucks at this point. I have so much energy. So that down there is the pool, which we'll be featuring today. That's the main thing we're going to be doing today, I think. Just hanging out at the pool. So in the front lobby area, there's check-in. There is a bar right here, and then right behind me is the Starbucks. It's right outside of the elevators. This way? Okay.
Holding my own. Trying to take advice.
Welcome to our cabana for the day. We have 2 lounge chairs. We have a nice table, ice for drinks and all our stuff, menus, chairs. We even got a TV. So we have this nice little couch area, and we have an extra 2 chairs right here.
So we're here hanging out at the Harrah's pool area. I had always thought there was only 1 pool here, but there's actually 2. There's the main one, and then there's a kids pool as well with an awesome fountain inside of it. Now the kids pool is very shallow, it's like a foot deep, but it's really cool. And there's a lot of adults hanging out inside of it too, which is kind of funny. Now if you don't feel like renting a cabana, you can rent a day bed. And obviously if you don't feel like spending money, you could just hang out at the lounge chairs and get your tan in that way. Boom, pretty cool. So this is a first for us. We actually just got our own beer pong table set up outside of our cabana. Now I think in order to get one of these out here, you need to have a cabana rented, but regardless, it's perfect for me. Someone who gets really bored at the pool real easily, so having a game is gonna be perfect. We're definitely gonna play in a little bit. I'm also seeing some people have large Jenga logs, so I think you could play Jenga out here as well. Pretty cool stuff, pretty cool. That game was a little bit closer than I wanted it to be honest with you. Spent a little bit too much time at the pool area, but we're here, we're about to change, and then go downstairs and explore the casino area. So we're at the Harrah's casino floor right now. We just walked around all the table games, and I was actually pretty surprised to see the number of different table games. Usually a lot of these casinos are blackjack heavy, but I would say maybe 15% to 20% of the tables are blackjack. They have a lot of different poker games and different card games, and overall the minimum I've seen mostly is around 15 or 25, but there's a handful of different games that do $10 minimums, but the blackjack minimum is 15. That's the lowest I've seen blackjack at Harrah's. Oh, nice. So we're at Ruths Steakhouse. It is right above the Carnival Court. I'm getting a 16-ounce ribeye. Greta's getting the classic, her favorite, lamb chops. And we're getting stuffed mushrooms with crab meat for appetizer. Greta, what do you think?
I wish I could just live off of this. That's it. Just this for the rest of my life. Ooh, it's looking juicy. Ready?
Let me get these glasses on so I can think straight. So Harrah's has a lot to offer. It's a very value-driven property on the strip, I would say, because it's right in the middle of the strip and it's newly renovated. It has so much to offer at an affordable price. But for me, it was obvious that after having dinner last night, we went to what was known as the piano bar. That experience was what really solidified the main highlight to Harrah's, which is live music.
Thank you for helping me out with the words. That's the best I got, man. I hope you
Now, we showed you Carnival Court, we had the live band there and the bar, and people were having a blast. And then piano bar last night. You know, there's two people playing a piano and they were taking requests from the audience and they were playing all sorts of random songs left and right and people loved it. So if live music is your thing, then don't look any further than Harrah's. That is clearly why Harrah's is so much fun and why people love it here. My takeaway, my favorite part of my stay here was actually the pool area, because it wasn't just the typical pool area where you're just going to take a dip and tanning and having some music, but people were playing games. There's people in the pool playing with a beach volleyball, and then we had our beer pong table set up, and then other people had Jenga and all sorts of games. That was really cool to me, and the vibes at the pool area were really great. I just want to thank Caesars and thank you all for watching. It has everything you could think of. It even is connected. There's a stop on the monorail at Harrah/the Link. So from your room, you can walk like 2 minutes and get to the monorail, and then, you know, travel along the strip. And not to mention the casino floor, they have like this really cool new craps table game that's electronic, and I don't think I've seen that anywhere else in Vegas, and my friend won $5,000 on that, which is crazy. But anyway, have a good day. Definitely leave me a like if you haven't yet already. I would really appreciate that. Subscribe if you like the content. I'm gonna go now. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.